This video will examine the Move command in the AutoCAD program. The Move command will allow you to select and move objects on your screen and in a drawing. In order to move an object, you can first come up to the Modify panel and choose the Move command. After you've selected the command, the program will prompt you to select the objects that you want to move. In this case, I'm going to say that I want to move this circle, so I select it. Once I'm done selecting that circle, I can press Enter to tell the computer that I'm done selecting objects. Next, it asks me to specify the base point. A base point is just a handle that I want to use to hold on to an object. In this case, I'd like to hold on to the center of the circle. Even though it's not on the circle, it just makes logical sense to hold on to this circle by its center. So now I'm holding on to that circle by its center. Finally, it asks me where do I want to move it to, asking me for the second point. And in this case, I'm going to move it to the center of this larger circle. To repeat, I can do the same thing for this other circle. So I'll say Move, select this circle. When I'm done selecting objects, press Enter, and then it asks me for my base point. Again, the base point is just a handle, so I'll choose the center of the circle and then where I want it to go to.